Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of an Estetica wig called Lily, and the color on Lily is RM6/28F. So I want to talk about this color really quick. This is a number 6, which is a really nice sort of neutral medium to dark brown, and that has a 28, which is sort of like an Irish red, sort of like a coppery auburn, highlighted throughout. Especially on the top. It's not really so much at the nape in this particular color combination, but it's really here at the top and near the front, which is great because this is a super heavily textured, modified pixie cut. And so I thought this color would be really pretty to demo on it because look at how all of those highlights sort of play up upon the dramatic texturing on Lily. It just looks really cute. So I'm really happy that I went with this color. So yeah, as I mentioned, Lily is a super texturized little modified pixie. She's got a bunch of razoring all up in here. Oh, so cute. Ridiculously cute. If you just got a little bit of shaping cream with this thing, oh my goodness. You could do all kinds of fun stuff with this one. I love the way the bang lays. Look how cute that is. Oh, and this is right out of the box. I haven't really done anything with this one. Now, Lily does have a considerable amount of permatease in the top, and that gives her a little bit of a rounded shape, as you can probably detect, but it is really super duper cute on and stretchy, comfortable, easy to wear. Let me go ahead and turn around so I can show you what Lily looks like on all sides. So I really like this wig. I think it's darling. I'm not really a huge fan of a lot of short wigs, but this one's super cute on and very comfortable. The bang on Lily is 5.25 inches, and see how it's lightly curled and still very layered. I mean, shorter here, longer here. That's super cute. The sides are 2.25 inches, but they're heavily layered, so kind of take that with a grain of salt. The crown down is 4.5 inches. Again, layered, grain of salt, take it. And then the nape is super duper short at 1.5 inches. The weight on this is like non-existent. It's like 2 ounces. So it's super comfortable, really easy peasy to wear. And it's super darling in these highlighted colors. Let me go ahead and take Lily off so I can show you what the cap construction looks like. Okay, Lily has a really deep lace front that goes about 1/3 of the way up the top of the head, which is great. The rest of it is permateased and open with open sides and open back. And we also have an extended open nape with a hook enclosure right here in the back. Let me show you what that permatease looks like. Oh, and open ear tabs as well, so you can see that. So it's easy to wear glasses with this one. Here's that permatease. So there's quite a bit of it on the top of Lily. You can really get a good look at that color this way. Really super cute. Gonna shake her out. Super comfortable wig. These Estetica caps tend to fit a little bit on the large side, which is fine by me because I got a big head. Pretty good coverage on this one, as you can probably tell. I mean, it helps that my bio hair matches. Here's that lace front. I've got it pushed down a little bit further on my forehead for you, so you can see the knots. It's kind of a sparse lace front, but you know what? It does get a little thicker as you go back, and it does look very nice still and very natural, especially when I pull it back where it's supposed to sit. So yeah, this one is darling. It is really, really, really cute. I love all the layering all over this one. So I approve of this one hardcore. This one is the Lily by Estetica in the color RM6/28F, which is really nice on these shortcuts like this. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, and hopefully these videos help you out. If you like what I do here, please be sure to check out my wig store. It's just www.cysterwigs.com. And until next time, have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.